Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook spinach dip. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients for a truly delicious and creamy dip. You'll need 10 ounces of spinach, 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 1/2 cup each of sour cream and mayonnaise. Don't forget 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese and 2 cloves of garlic. These foundational items, along with a few key seasonings, will create a rich and flavorful base for your warm spinach dip. Now, let's get our ingredients prepped for optimal flavor and texture. If using frozen spinach, ensure it's completely thawed and squeezed dry. This is crucial for a non-watery dip. Finely chop 1 small onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic to distribute their flavors evenly. Remember to soften your 8 ounces of cream cheese to room temperature. It will blend much more smoothly into the mixture, creating a wonderfully creamy consistency. It's time to bring everything together for that perfect dip consistency. In a large mixing bowl, combine your softened 8 ounces of cream cheese with 1/2 cup each of sour cream and mayonnaise. Next, fold in the thoroughly drained spinach, the finely chopped onion, and the minced garlic. Stir in 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and season with salt and pepper. Mix until all ingredients are beautifully combined and smooth. The final step is baking your delicious creation to golden perfection. Carefully transfer the entire spinach dip mixture into a 2-quart baking dish. Place it into a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is bubbly and the edges are lightly golden brown. Serve this warm, comforting dip immediately with an assortment of crackers, crusty bread, or fresh vegetable sticks for a delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.